In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Word document into a specific folder. This process is essential for organizing your files and ensuring that you can easily find them later. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Microsoft Word application on your computer. If you haven't already, locate the Word icon on your desktop or in your Start menu and double-click it to launch the program. Once Word is open, and you've either started a new document or are working on an existing one, we'll need to proceed to the next step. Now, with your document open, move your attention to the top left corner of the window. Here you'll see a menu option labeled File. Go ahead and click on that. This menu is your gateway to a variety of options, such as opening, saving, printing, and more. For our purposes today, it leads us to the saving options we need. After you click on File, a sidebar will appear on the left side of your screen. Look for the option that says Save As and click on it. Choosing Save As is important when you want to keep the original and create a new saved version, perhaps in a different location or under another name. It's a handy feature to ensure you can maintain multiple editions of your documents. Once you've clicked Save As, you'll be given the option to choose a storage location. Select Browse, which will prompt a File Explorer window to open. This window allows you to navigate through your computer's directory, similar to how you would search for any file. Here, you have the flexibility to select exactly where you want your document to be saved. The File Explorer window shows you all the folders and locations available on your computer. Navigate through these folders until you find the specific one where you'd like to save your Word document. You can do this by clicking on the folders. If you have a specific directory in mind, just click through until you find it. After you've navigated to your desired folder, you'll see a field where you can enter the name of your document. Make sure to give it a descriptive name that will help you identify it later. Once you're satisfied with the folder location and the document name, there's just one more thing to do. Click the Save button, usually located in the bottom right corner of the window. And that's it. You've successfully saved your Word document to a specific folder. Now you know exactly where to find it when you need it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like this video or subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.